Tools required for replacing the rear wheel 315 wheel. Tools required is a 19mm spanner and a 19mm socket and ratchet. To refit the 315 wheel, simply put it back into the screw the 19mm nut back on. This is an eye lock nut. You can apply Loctite, but the plastic nylock will ensure that it doesn't loosen. This can be used 3 times. After fitting new wheel, please ensure that you spin the wheel to ensure that the wheel runs true and is straight. And apply the brake to ensure the brake shoe is adjusted correctly.